Can I find enough silver to keep up with this crazy demand? The silver shortage is a critical issue that's been making headlines lately, and it's essential to understand what's happening and why. In this update, I'll be breaking down the key factors contributing to this shortage and what it means for you. One major factor is industrial demand. Silver is used in a wide range of products, from electronics to solar panels, and the demand for these products is increasing rapidly. At the same time, silver mining is facing significant constraints. Many of the world's largest silver mines are getting older, and it's becoming more challenging to extract the metal. This combination of rising demand and constrained supply is putting a lot of pressure on the silver market. Investment trends are also playing a role in the shortage. As more investors look for safe haven assets, they're turning to silver, which is driving up prices and reducing available supply. The metal's relatively low price compared to gold has made it an attractive option for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. The supply chain itself is also a concern. With many mines reducing production or closing altogether, the supply of silver is getting squeezed. Refineries are struggling to keep up with demand, which is causing delays and further exacerbating the shortage. Let's take a look at some data to illustrate just how severe the shortage is. Silver prices have been surging over the past year, with some fluctuations. Inventory levels at exchanges and warehouses are also dropping rapidly. If we look at the charts, we can see that the price of silver has been steadily increasing, with some dips along the way. This trend is likely to continue as demand outstrips supply. The inventory levels are also telling a story. As the demand for silver increases, the available supply is dwindling. This is a classic sign of a shortage, and it's not hard to see why prices are rising. Another data point that's worth looking at is the demand for silver in specific industries. For example, the solar panel industry uses a lot of silver, and as demand for renewable energy increases, so does the demand for silver. This is just one example of how the shortage is affecting different sectors of the economy. The implications of this shortage are significant. One of the most urgent concerns is the impact on everyday products. As the shortage worsens, we can expect to see higher prices for products that rely on silver, from smartphones to solar panels. This could have a ripple effect throughout the economy, driving up costs and reducing consumer spending power. The shortage could also have a broader impact on the economy. With silver being a critical component in many industries, a shortage could lead to production delays, job losses, and even higher prices for consumers. It's essential to understand that this shortage is not just a minor issue, it's a significant problem that requires attention. The silver shortage has the potential to affect many aspects of our lives, from the products we buy to the economy as a whole. In summary, the silver shortage is a pressing issue that's driven by a combination of industrial demand, mining constraints, and investment trends. The data is clear, prices are rising, inventory levels are dropping, and the implications are significant. If you have any thoughts on the silver shortage, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more market updates and insights.